Imagine waking up to a flood of notifications, each one a sale from a digital product you created once. No inventory, no shipping headaches, just pure passive income while you sleep. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, it's not. It's the future. And in this video, I'll show you exactly how to create and sell digital products to make it your reality. Digital products are cost-effective, scalable, and can be sold globally. Whether you're looking for easy money online, exploring how to make money online fast, or building a sustainable business, digital products offer endless opportunities. From ebooks to online courses, templates to memberships, this market is booming, and it's your time to tap into it. So, what digital products can you sell? Here are a few ideas. Ebooks and guides. Share your expertise in a specific niche. Templates, resumes, planners, or social media designs. Online courses. Teach a skill you've mastered. Membership sites. Offer exclusive content for recurring revenue. Each of these options is easy to scale and perfect for beginners. Choose what aligns with your skills or interests, and you're already on your way. Here's how to create digital products that sell. Identify your niche. What are you passionate about? What problem can you solve? Develop your product. Use tools like Canva or Adobe Creative Suite to create professional designs. Choose your platform. System.io is a great all-in-one platform for hosting and selling your products. Build a sales funnel. Guide customers from discovery to purchase with seamless automation and email campaigns. Creating a great product is just half the battle. Marketing is the key to success. Promote on social media platforms like Pinterest, Instagram, and TikTok. Build a blog and share valuable content to attract readers. Use email marketing to nurture your audience and drive sales. With the right marketing strategy, your digital products can reach thousands of potential buyers globally. The earning potential is limitless. Some creators start small with $200 a day, while others grow their business to $10,000 a month or more. It all depends on your product, pricing, and consistency. With digital products, your effort today can pay off for years to come. Digital products aren't just the future, they're the present. Whether you're a stay-at-home parent, a busy entrepreneur, or someone looking for easy income ideas, this is your chance to create something impactful and profitable. Don't wait. Click the link in the description to access a step-by-step system for creating and selling your first digital product. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more tips on building a successful online business. Let's make your passive income dream a reality.